Good morning, student. Now, today we will see the this is a pronunciation period, but I will send it both the link at the same time. So we'll see some example from the practice set 5.1. Already you have studied first two questions. So what the different type of examples we will take, and then remaining you have to solve. Find the point on x-axis. Two types of example. That point lie on x-axis or y-axis. Okay, which is equidistant from these 2 points. Okay, then we have to find the point of that coordinate of that point. For example, that point we don't know. Suppose it let P. Now this is on x-axis. Means we know on x-axis x coordinate is there, but y is what? 0. We know that is, if suppose this one, if any point we taken here x coordinate is there, but y is what? 0. And if that is on y-axis, here x is 0 and y is there. Here y is 0. Okay, that is important. If they ask at y-axis, then you have to take coordinate 0 y. If that is on x-axis, then you have to take x 0. Let P x 0 be the point which is equidistant from which points A and B. Okay, equidistance because these two distances are same. PA is equal to PB. Now we know where we have to find PA, this one. So we have to use distance formula. So by distance formula, we have to find the coordinate of this point. Which point? This one. Okay. Already y is 0 means we have to find only x. So by distance formula, now we know distance formula is under root x2 minus x1 bracket square plus y2 minus y1 bracket square. But if we take this PA is equal to PB, instead of PA square is equal to PB square, then that root is removed. For example, suppose we have written here PA is equal to, suppose this formula x2 minus x1 bracket square plus y2 minus y1 bracket square. Okay, so if we take out the square of this, then this root is removed. Then that is simple one, because here these two sides are equal, two lengths are equal, that is given in the example. So we can take directly square. Then if we take on here square, then this root side is removed. Then this bracket comes. Okay, so same thing here you have to write. 2 points are here. So directly also you can write first one. Suppose first we consider PA. So this is x1, y1, x2, y2. So here x minus 3 bracket square here. Then y coordinate plus 0 minus 4 bracket square. 0 minus 4. This is P. Now PB. Okay. Again x minus 1 bracket square plus 0 minus 4. 0 minus 4 bracket square. Here root is not there because already we have taken square. So we'll see now it is what? X minus plus 3 bracket square plus 0 minus 4 means minus 4 as it is bracket square equal to x minus 1 bracket square plus 0. Here no need to write 0, minus plus 4 bracket square. So here apply a plus b bracket square formula. X square plus 2ab means 2 3s are 6x. 2ab plus b square means 3 square is 9. Plus minus 4 square is, we know minus become plus when square is there. Again here a minus b square formula. X square minus 2ab, 2 1s are 2 and this x plus this 1 square is 1. Again plus 4 square is what? 60. If same term cancel, this x square cancel, plus 16 cancel. So what remain here? 6x. Here minus 2x Take this minus 2x left hand side, it become plus. And this side, what remain? 1. Take plus 9, that side, it become minus 9. Okay. So 6 plus 2, 8x. This is what? Minus 8. So x, this 8 is multiplied. When it goes that side, divide. So it is what? X is equal to minus 1. Means we found the value of this one. So we have to find the coordinates or that point. So let P is what here we assume? X0. Therefore, P x0. X is what? Minus 1, 0 is the required point. Means which is equidistant from that point A and B. Understand? If you not understood, so see again and then try to solve by yourself. So we'll take another example. This is right in your notebook. So next question we'll see another one. So second one from this book. See here. Already this third one we have solved. Next one, that is on right angle triangle. Vertex is given. Then you have to show that is right angle triangle. Okay. So here PQR, suppose PQR point is given. So here you have to find distance PQ, distance QR, all three distances, and this PR. This one you have to find. Okay. And here in fourth question, you have to show that is right angle triangle. Means we have to show right angle triangle, means by converse of right angle triangle theorem, you have to show the bigger side. Which side comes bigger? You have to take square of that side. Bigger side square equal to remaining two sides, smaller two sides. One side, what will be? Plus another side. Okay. If this square of this sum is equal to the square of this bigger side, then you can say the given vertices or the given triangle is a right angle triangle. By which reason? By converse of right angle theorem, right angle triangle theorem. So this is you have to solve. Okay. This small example. So easily you can find. So I will take one example on the quadrilateral. See now on the quadrilateral one example. Next one. Show that points P2 minus 2, Q7, 3, R11 minus 1 and S6 minus 6 are vertices of a parallelogram. Vertices of a parallelogram. Okay, we have to show these are four vertices of a parallelogram. So now here you have to use the definition of parallelogram. We know all sides are parallel, then that is parallelogram. Then one property is there regarding to the sides, because we have to use the distance for sides. What that formula? Opposite sides are congruent. If any quadrilateral opposite sides are congruent like this, then that is a parallelogram. Whatever be, that is square, that is a rectangle, that is a rhombus, or these are the types of a parallelogram. So here, these 4 points P, Q, R, S is what you have to find here. Distance is PQ, QR, RS, and PQ. Sorry, PR. PS, PQ, QR, RS, and PS. These 4 distances you have to find, and you have to show two distances or two sides are same. If two sides are same, then you can say that is a parallelogram. So here one by one we will see. First one PQ we will find. We know the formula. Directly you can put that value PQ. Here x1, y1, x2, y2. So first we will take this one, 7 minus 2 bracket square. Okay, xx coordinate. Then plus y2, 3 minus 2 bracket square. So equal to, yes, see, 7 minus 2, 5 bracket square plus here 3 minus minus plus 5 square. So it is 25 plus 25. What is it? 50. Okay. So we know 50 means 25 2s are. So it is what? 5 root 2. PQ distance what? 5 root 2. Because here root of 25 is 5. So 5 root 2 we found percent. Now next one QR. See, this example are big one but very simple. By distance formula easily you can find. Now QR you have to find. See, QR. This is now x1, y1, x2, y2. So here x2 is 11 minus 7. That is very important. X coordinate and y coordinate you have to take. Minus 1 minus 3 plus minus 1 minus 3 bracket square. So what is it? See here. 11 minus 7 4 square minus this one minus 4 bracket square. So it is what? 4 square is 16. This is 16. So it is 32. So we know it is 16 multiplied by 2. So 4 root 2. This is QR. Here we can factorize. So one factor should be perfect square. Then you can take root of this QR. Now this one will form. Now what is RS? RS under root. Okay. See now. R yes. Okay. 6 minus 11 bracket square plus minus 6 minus 1 minus 6 minus 1 bracket, because second coordinate we have to subtract. So already that having minus, so write in the another bracket. 6 minus 11 minus 5 square plus this minus come plus again minus 6 plus 1, it is minus 5 bracket square. Okay, see here. This one 25 plus 25, it is root 50. Now root 50 we know it is 5 root 2. 25 2s are. Okay, see here. These two come same. Now last one remains. That is what? PS. PS is equal to. PS is equal to. Very simple example. PS is equal to under root. See the coordinates of that PS. So what is here? P and yes, these two consider. 6 minus 2. 6 minus 2 bracket square plus minus 6 minus 2. Minus 6 minus 2 bracket square. So what does it come? 6 minus 2, 4 square plus here minus plus minus 6 plus 2, it is minus 4 bracket square. So what is it? Greater number sign, no? For subtraction. Here 16, here 16. So it is 32. We know 16 2s are means 4 root 2. This is what? PS. Okay, this is PS. This is RS. See that PQ and RS is same. PQ is equal to RS is equal to 5 root 2. And observe QR and PS and QR is equal to PS is equal to 4 root 2. We showed opposite sides are congruent, opposite of these two are same. Therefore, what you can say? Quadrilateral PQRS is a parallelogram. Okay, like this you have to solve. Very simple. If they want rectangle, same you have to show this one, and in rectangle and square one more thing is there you have to show. What? Suppose they are a rectangle, we know opposite sides are congruent. In parallelogram also congruent. But if you have to show rectangle, that time you have to take diagonal. Means these four parts you have to find. And diagonal means what here? PQRS. Means diagonal is PR and QS. Means this four side plus two diagonal you have to show. Two diagonals are congruent. Opposite sides are congruent. Then you can say that is a rectangle. opposite sides. And if all sides are equal, and you have to show square, then all sides are equal. Similarly, you have to show that two diagonals are also equal, then that is a square. Means in square and rectangle only, you have to find 6 distances. That is very important, 6. And in parallelogram and rhombus, you have to show only 4. Now this is parallelogram, we show opposite. If you have to show, one example is there, rhombus, means this all distances are same. That means lastly you have to write all distances are equal, therefore it is a rhombus. There is no need to show diagonals. Okay, where you have to show diagonal only in square and rectangle. Maybe in a problem set that examples are there. And right angle triangle already I have told, 3 sides you have to show, and bigger side square is equal to sum of 2 smaller side, then that is a right angle triangle. That is assignment for you. One more example we will see now. See here, one more example. These examples are very big, so you have to study properly. Next example. Here, find x if distance between points L x7 and M115 is 10. Okay, this is a different one. So now here we have to see how to find. Now here you have to find the value of x between these 2 points. Okay, means this distance LM. If you have to find LM directly, we will write LM. So we know the formula. If 2 points are there, then here you can write the formula x2 minus x1 bracket square plus y2 minus y1 bracket square. If that more than 2 sides you have to find, then no need to write formula, directly put the values. Now here see, x2 means this is x1 y1, x2 y2, 1 minus x, or you can take x1 minus, if you feel this one complicated, 1 minus x bracket square, so you can take x1 minus x2 also. Here if you take x1 minus x2, y1 minus y2, that is also correct. If you take here x1, here you have to take y1. So x minus 1 bracket square plus 7 minus 15 bracket square. Okay. So this distance already they have given. It is what? 10. So LM is what? 10. Okay. So see this. Take the square. Taking square. Why we have to take square? Because we have to remove this root symbol. Okay. So here 10 square is what come? 100. Here we have to take square of both sides. And here this root symbol removes. What remains? X minus 1 bracket square plus 7 minus 15. So it is what? Minus 8 bracket square. 7 minus 15 bracket square. Okay. 7 minus 15. So take the square. Here x square minus 2ab is 2 1 are 2 into x 2x plus b square, it is 1 plus minus 8 square is become plus 64. This side 100. Take this 100 that side. See here, this side 0 remains, right? X square minus 2x, this one addition is plus 65. And this 100 goes that side, it become minus. Okay, so here x square minus 2x, so subtraction of these two is minus 35 equal to 0. Now here you have to find the factors of minus 35. Product should be minus 35 and addition should be minus 2. So 7 5. Here middle term minus, so greater factor minus smaller one plus, because product we want minus, check it, and addition minus 2. So split the middle term, x square minus 7x plus 5x. Instead of these two, you have to write this one. Already you have studied in the quadratic equation. Minus 35 equal to 0. Okay. Take the common from these two. X then here x minus 7. We know another bracket also come x minus 7. So what remain? If x is here plus 5. This is the simple method to find the common of second two term. So now this equal to 0. So same bracket x minus 7, another x plus 5 equal to 0. Okay, so if x minus 7 is 0, then x is what? 7. Minus 7 goes that side, so it becomes plus. And if x plus 5 equal to 0, therefore x is equal to this plus 5 goes that side, it becomes minus. Means two answers come. If two answers come, then what solution here you are drawing? X is equal to 7 or minus 5. Two answers come, 7 or minus 5. So like that you have to solve this example. See, here already we have solved this one. Seventh one you have to solve. Sixth one rhombus, and last one show these vertices are, or this triangle is a equilateral triangle. Now if equilateral triangle means again you have to find three distances and you have to show all distances are same, then equilateral. If you have to show isosceles, then you have to find three distances and you have to show out of that three, two are equal, then that triangle is a isosceles. So like that examples maybe you will get from the problem set also, try to solve that, and here also from the practice set 5.1 try to solve that remaining examples and send it. If any doubt you can ask.